feel like a star, but only strictly where I'm famous. I'm in this for the longest haul, like we'll see where it takes us. I'm throwing back these double shots like whiskey here is weightless. Cause this career I chose was even riskier than Vegas. Yo, you play and no one's in the crowd like it's Pistons Bucks. Burning sour down for all the days I pissed in cups. And I be working till I'm rich as fuck on my own grind. I'm a rebel to the system, cause the system sucks. But see, I'm going places most people ain't seen, and I'm living out a life that most people would see and fiend. And everyone's a rapper, but everything ain't what it seems. Most people can't run all too well when they're chasing a dream. Yo, think about it, if you ain't catch it, that's just what I mean. You try to run fast after something and you run out of steam. You're falling off and falling fast, feel like you're about to scream. While I'm wide awake, making dreams come true, this feeling is supreme. Yo, as a rapper,